All right, we're going to go over how to utilize the gear extractor washer in washing our turnout gear. First step we need to do is separate your gear. So take your inner liner from your outer shell, separate those to the side. We're going to wash them separately. It doesn't matter which one you wash first, but they have to be washed separately. So outer shells together, inner liners together. I would recommend doing your inner liners first for the simple fact of they're going to require more time drying, so you can dry those while you're washing your outer shell. So take your inner liner, just put inside the extractor washer here. And if you wish to wash your Nomex, I would recommend washing your Nomex with your inner liner as well. We're going to shut the door, and you're going to come through here and select which one we want to wash. We have two options really we're going to utilize. Outer shells obviously would be for our outer shell of our turnout gear, or liners for the gear liner. So we're going to select gear liner. It's going to change the time, and we're going to have a start, pause, flash. You're just going to press that, and the cycle will begin. Once you press start, we're going to come up here and hit the start dosing. Just press that once, and it's going to start putting soap into the extractor washer when needed. Also to note with your outer liners, make sure that we check our pockets before we wash anything. Make sure we have everything out of our jackets and pants to ensure that nothing gets trapped into the washer. With your outer layers, that's a good time to wash your gloves as well. You can add those in with your outer layers. All right, so after our gear is washed, we'll utilize the gear drying cabinet to dry our gear. So when you remove it from the washer, just make sure you shake it off, shake any excess water off of your gear. We'll place into the cabinet. Inside the cabinet, you can see we have multiple hangers to utilize. So remove the hanger, place your jacket onto the hanger. Place it inside. For the pants, it's not the greatest option, but we'll use these glove hangers and just kind of straddle the crotch of the pants over the glove hanger. And you want to be sure to provide ample drying room with your gear. Make sure that there's room for it to breathe. If you did wash your Nomex, you can just hang it off of a dryer hook here and allow it to dry as well. So once everything's hung up, we're going to shut the cabinet and lock it, ensure that it's latched. Push and hold mode select. Select whichever mode you wish to have, just fan or fan and heater, and then select gear, which will automatically put your timer at 3 hours, and then press start. At the end of the 3 hours, the dryer will cease and your gear should be dried.